In this situation, my little buddy here pulled a row with his nail. And it's a pretty long one, and the customer was panicking because it's new carpet. So you want to take an extra piece of carpet and cut the exact size of the row that's missing. Take your carpet knife and cut through the primary backing all the way through, carve it out so you can place your new row. It's pretty simple. Once you've done that, take your seam tape, place it in the right alignment, and the green line should be right where the seam is. Take your new donor piece, your extra piece of carpet, the row, place it into the missing area, turn on your cool glide, heat up your seam tape, wait, make sure that you heat up all of the seam tape areas before you start roll. Grab your start roller and really put your body weight into it. This is like a tool. You can carve that row right into place. Take a look.